Understanding, check the saddle, an English idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, check the saddle. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, check the saddle, is an idiomatic expression. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. To check the saddle means to ensure that everything is in order or properly prepared before starting a task or journey. This idiom originates from horse riding, where checking the saddle is vital for a safe and comfortable ride. Using check the saddle in conversations is quite simple. It's mostly used in informal settings. Here are a few examples. 1. Before a road trip, let's check the saddle before we hit the road. Did anyone forget their passports? 2. In the workplace, before we present this project to the boss, we need to check the saddle and make sure every detail is perfect. 3. In daily tasks, I always check the saddle by reviewing my shopping list before leaving for the grocery store. Remember, context is key with idioms. Check the saddle implies preparation and precaution, so it's best used in scenarios where these themes are relevant. It's not suitable for situations where there is no preparation involved or the context is very formal. And that's all for today's lesson on the idiom, check the saddle. We hope you found this explanation helpful and can now confidently use this phrase in your English conversations. Don't forget to check the saddle in your own life. It's always good to be prepared. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.